Hello everyone, I am Vishal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into part 3 of my video series. If you missed previous parts, no worries, I uploaded it yesterday and you can check it out before or after this one. Let's start with the question number 11. Here in an AP, Sn is equal to Qn square and Sm is equal to Qm square, where Sr denotes the sum of first R terms of the AP. Then Sq is equal to what? So here for short trick we will use as n is equal to 1 and m is equal to 2. So we get S1 is equal to Q and S2 is equal to 4Q. Now we have a standard result. If you have to find out Tn when Sn is given, so Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. Note down in your notebook, this is a very famous result. So we will get T2 as S2 minus S1, which is equal to 4Q minus Q, which is equal to 3Q. Now our common difference will be T2 minus T1. T1 is nothing but T1 is equal to S1. So we will use T2 is equal to 3Q minus T1 is equal to Q. So we will get 2Q. Now what we will have to find? SQ. So SQ is equal to Q by 2, 2A plus n minus 1, n की जगह क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? Q हो जाएगा into D. Now put the value of A and D, you will get Q by 2, 2Q plus Q minus 1 into 2Q. Now further you will get Q by 2, 2Q plus 2Q square minus 2Q plus 2Q minus 2Q cancel out, you will get Q by 2 into 2Q square. 2 cancel out, final is 2Q cube. So SQ will be Q cube. So our correct option is B. Now come to the question number 12. Question number 12 is the interior angles of a polygon are in arithmetic progression. The smallest angle is 120. So here we have given A is equal to 120 degree and common difference is D is equal to 5 degree. Now the number of sides, let the number of sides is equal to n. So we use the result sum of all interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. For example, if you have a triangle, put n is equal to 3, you will get sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Now as we know in an AP the sum of n terms is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now this is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now put the value of A and D. So we will get n into 240 plus n minus 1 into 5, which is equal to 360 into n minus 2. Now solve it, we will get n 240 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 360n minus 720. Further solve it, you will get n 235 plus 5n minus 360n plus 720 is equal to 0. Solve it, you will get 5n square plus 235n minus 360n plus 720 is equal to 0. So 5n square minus 125n plus 720 is equal to 0. 5 common out, so we can divide by 5. N square minus 25n plus 144 is equal to 0. So split the middle term, n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 is equal to 0. So you will get n minus 16 minus 9 n minus 16 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 9 and n is equal to 16. So number of sides is equal to either 9 or 16. But if you find T16, which is equal to A is nothing but 120 plus 15 into 5, which is equal to 120 plus 75, which is greater than 180 degree. But this is not possible. All interior angles should be less than 180. So this option is discarded. N is equal to 9 is the right option. Check the options. So option A is correct. Now come to the question number 13. Question number 13 is the sum of two non-zero numbers is 6. So let the number are A and B. Now given is A plus B is equal to 6. The minimum value of the sum of their reciprocal. What we will have to find? 1 upon A, 1 upon B को minimize करना है. So here we will use AM and AGH inequality, मतलब arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Here we will use A greater than H. A is nothing but if you have two number, then their arithmetic mean is equal to this, and if you have two number, then their geometric mean, harmonic mean will become this. Now put the value of A plus B, you will get 6 upon 2 greater than 2 upon 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. This implies 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 1 upon A plus 1 upon B greater than 2 by 3. So its minimum value will be 2 by 3. So option C is correct. Now come to the question number 14, which is the first and last term of an AP are 1 and 11. Given first term is T1, which can be written as A, which is 1, and last term L or Tn, which is equal to 11. If the sum of the term is 41, suppose Sn is equal to 48, then what is the value of n? So we will use Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As we know, the last term of Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now it can be written as n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. Now see here, this is nothing but our Tn or L. So n by 2 a plus L, we will use this formula. So put the value of Sn, A and L, we will find our n. So Sn is 48 is equal to n by 2, A is nothing but 1 and last term is 11. So after multiply by 2, this will become 96, n into 12. So n will be 96 upon 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 8s are 96. So n will be 8. So the value of n is 8. So option C is correct. Now come to the question number 15. If the second term of a GP is 2, so here T2 is equal to 2 and the sum of infinite term S infinity is equal to 8. So what is the first term? A is equal to what? So T2 is nothing but A into R is equal to 2, because as we know Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1, and S infinity in a GP A upon 1 minus R. We have to find A, so this implies r is equal to 2 upon a. So s infinity, put the value 8, a upon 1 minus r is nothing but 2 upon a. So here after solving this you will get 8 a minus 2 is equal to a square. A square minus 8a plus 16 is equal to 0. This is a minus 4 का whole square. So a will be 4. So correct option is C. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.